In this quick video, I will show you how to buy ETF in Charles Schwab. So it is very easy to do. Just watch this video till the end. The first thing you need to do is open up your Charles Schwab app and then log in your account. Once you have logged in, from the dashboard, you have to click on this trade option at the bottom. This will look like two arrows, upside and downside. So just click on that and then this will open up this screen. So from here you have to select this stocks and ETF option. After this, you have to select the account where you want to purchase your stocks or ETFs. Once you have selected the account, you have to enter the symbol of ETF. So you just have to enter the symbol of your ETF that you want to purchase. So just enter it. And once you do that, it will list the results like this. So from here you have to select the specific ETF that you want to purchase. And once you do that, this will look like this. So it will show the current price of that ETF you are purchasing. So to purchase the ETF, you have to click on this buy button under the action label. And once you do that, it will show up this input box where you have to enter the amount in dollars, how much you want to buy that ETF. So just enter it, but it has to be greater than $1. Just enter it and then click on this review order button. Then it will show you all the details regarding that ETF you are purchasing. So to confirm your order, you have to scroll down and you will see this place order button. So simply click on that. And once you do that, your ETF will be purchased. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.